Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, using the team editing chat system and accessing the chat log, I'm going to show you a new feature in version 10 that allows you to not only chat with your team members, but also access the history of that chat log right within Eclipse. I'm in Eclipse and I'm going to start a team editing real-time job. So I'm going to choose real-time and share document with team. I'll call my file chat log. I'm going to choose to start on the last stroke. And for this example, I'm just going to do a simple internet session. I'll leave the name provided by Eclipse alone. I'll choose to upload my audio. I'll choose Room Auto, and I'll make sure that publicly visible is checked. And again, as always, I'll provide the document name and password to my team members. I'll press OK to start the session. And you see that on the left, my session has opened, and I also see that it's opened in the View Connections box. The View Connections box is also an easy way to chat with your team members during a real-time editing session. As soon as my Scopus joins, I now have the option of sending a chat message right within the View Connections box. By default, when I send a message through the View Connections box, that message is going to show up for all the other users within the session. However, if I wanted to send the Scopist a private message, I can select the Scopist, choose Properties, and send them a private message. And you see that this message has also shown up in the chat box as well as in the info bar. And you see that it specifies that it's a private message from myself, the reporter, to the user named Scopist. Now my proofreader has joined the session, and I have the option of sending a message to all of those users. Or I can also send a private message now to the proofreader. And you see that all of these messages show up in the chat log, in the View Connections window, as well as in the info bar. And any of your messages that are private specify that they are private. To send a message, all you have to do is type your message and press enter. To send a private message, select the user you'd like to send a message to, select Properties, type your private message, and click Send. Or you can press enter. When someone else sends a message to the group, you see that that chat message also shows up in the chat log and in the info bar. If you receive a private message from another team member, you see that it says private and then from the user that the message is from. And this will be true no matter which user the messages are from. You see there the third user in the team editing session, the proofreader has sent a public message, and now the proofreader has sent a private message to the host, which is me. However, if the proofreader sends a private message to the Scopist, that will not show up for the host. And if the host sends a private message to one of the users, it won't show up to the other users. Private messages are labeled as private, and so you know that anything labeled as private is only viewable to you or the person that you've sent the message to. Once the job is complete, the host can end the session. And if I open my file manager, you see not only the job that I started and shared with my team, but I see a file called ed_chatlog, which is the name of the session that I began. I'll press open, and the chat log from this session opens for me. And it also includes my server connection information. If I connected or disconnected from the server or had any problems sending audio, this information will also be here for me. So the chat log provides you not only a history of your own chat, but also a history of your connection status. And you see that I don't see any private messages between my Scopus and my proofreader. Since those messages did not appear to me, they don't appear in my chat log. I only see a history of the messages that I actually received or sent. There may be any number of reasons that you would refer to the chat log. However, whatever your reasons for doing so, the chat log will be here and ready for you automatically with each session in version 10. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that the chat log will be a new and useful feature in version 10. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified of our twice weekly uploads. Thank you so much and have a great day.